Want to swap weapons fast in GTA 5? Follow these quick steps now. Step 1. Open the weapon wheel. PC hold tab. PlayStation hold L1. Xbox hold LB. Step 2. Use your mouse or right stick to highlight a category on the wheel. Step 3. Highlight the desired weapon and release to equip PC release tab. PlayStation release L1. Xbox release LB. Quick tip. On PC, press number keys 1 through 9 to instantly equip slots without the wheel. Use weapon cycling to scroll between favorites. PC use mouse wheel. Console use the D-pad or quick cycle control. Step 4. Watch a close-up of the wheel so you can spot weapon slots and attachments quickly. Notice the slight slow motion as the character switches weapons. It helps you time shots under pressure. Recap inputs. PC hold tab, number keys for direct slots. PlayStation hold L1 and use right stick. Xbox hold LB and use right stick. Pro tip. Open the wheel while in cover or aiming to swap safely without exposing yourself. Step 6. Practice in free roam to memorize slots and build muscle memory for quick combat switches. That's it. Change weapons fast in GTA 5, practice these steps, and dominate the streets. Try it now.